Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we will explore how to apply a function to an array, accumulating results at each step using JavaScript's reduce method. This is useful for cumulative operations like summation, running averages, and much more. Let's get started. This function tracks all intermediate results of reduce, making it useful when we need step-by-step calculations instead of just a final value. This function uses reduce to process each element while storing results in an array. The key part is red slice -1 where the array has 0 in it, which retrieves the last computed value for the next calculation. Breaking it down, we start with an initial value, apply the function iteratively, and store every intermediate result in the output array. With this function, we can accumulate values in various ways: addition, multiplication, subtraction, or any custom logic. This technique is useful in many fields, from financial calculations to data analysis and even real-time gaming systems. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to apply functions successively using JavaScript's reduce method. Try using this approach in your own projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.